Causative verb quiz. Instruction. Choose the sentence that uses the causative correctly. 10 points. 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I made my brother to clean his room. B. I made my brother clean his room. C. I did make my brother cleaning his room. D. I made my brother cleaning his room. The answer is B. I made my brother clean his room. 2. Choose the correct sentence. A. She had her car repaired yesterday. B. She had her car repaired yesterday. C. She has her car repaired yesterday. D. She had her car repairing yesterday. The answer is A. She had her car repaired yesterday. 3. Which sentence is correct? A. He let me to stay at his place. B. He'd let me stay at his place. C. He'd let me staying at his place. D. He'd let me stayed at his place. The answer is B. He let me stay at his place. 4. Which sentence shows the causative meaning someone arranges something to be done? A. I had my hair cut. B. I cut my hair. C. I cutted my hair. D. I made my hair cut. The answer is A. I had my hair cut. 5. Choose the natural sentence. A. She made me to wait. B. She made me wait. C. She made wait me. D. She made waiting me. The answer is B. She made me wait. 6. Which one is correct? A. They let us entering the room. B. They let us enter the room. C. They let us enters the room. D. They let us to enter the room. The answer is B. They let us enter the room. 7. Fill in the blank. I will blank my car fixed tomorrow. A. Have. B. Make. C. Let. D. Do. The answer is A. Have. 8. Which is a causative sentence? A. I cleaned my room yesterday. B. I had my room cleaned yesterday. C. I am cleaning my room. D. I clean my room every day. The answer is B. I had my room cleaned yesterday. 9. Choose the correct sentence. A. He made me to apologize. B. He made me apologize. C. He make me apologize. D. He made me apologizing. The answer is B. He made me apologize. 10. Which sentence is correct? A. She had her homework due by her friend. B. She had her homework done by her friend. C. She made her homework done. D. She let her homework done. The answer is B. She had her homework done by her friend. Score 8 to 10. Excellent. Score 5 to 7. Keep practicing. Below 5. Watch again. Comment your score.